Hey there, Allison here from the Farm Connection to do a native plant profile, the bush's Poppy Mallow. I am loving this bush's Poppy Mallow right now. It's got these beautiful bright pink flowers. They're also called wine cups because of the shape of the flower is like a little wine cup. It prefers partial shade to full sun and dry to medium conditions. You can see it'll get about 2 feet tall. So I have it here planted with my other natives, my echinacea and my anise hyssop and my coral honeysuckle. And this is in the front because it's only going to get about 2 feet tall. And you can see that it gets a little bit more wide than it does tall. So it's kind of spreading out. These plants are originally native to Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas, and Arkansas. But you can see it's really thriving here in Western North Carolina. It is the beginning of July here in Western North Carolina, and these are just really starting to bloom. So I expect that these are going to continue blooming all the way through August and maybe even into September. These make a great addition to a native plant garden.